So working alongside the Australian medical teams has been really interesting, as I've not worked with the Australians before, and a lot of us haven't. So it's been interesting to see how we do things so different, but also so similarly. And it can be really nuanced things that you wouldn't even realise might be a problem. The name of drugs, for example, there's been a lot of clarification on that. So it's been interesting to see how these things would actually impact in a proper environment.
It's actually been great to see the similarities that we have in our Air Force in theirs. It's good to see that when the opportunity comes to work together, we can, and same with like our gear and our team, we just implement within each other really well.
So we turned up to the medical treatment facility earlier, and quite quickly we realised, I think, that it didn't matter what uniform everyone was in, and everyone just quickly worked together. It didn't matter that we were taking over from the Australians or you guys were handing over to a British team. Everyone just went into medical mode and just seamlessly, and it all worked really, really well.
There are definitely complexities treating a patient midair, things that you wouldn't consider on the ground to be an issue definitely come into play when you're in the air. Even just talking to your patient and communicating with them can be a real complicated scenario.